And today we're going to bat. I don't need comment take. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to bat. So this is the little outfit of today because it's going to be flipping cold and I'm trying to warm up so I'm going to be cold. So next time I'll record is when I'm on the couch. So see you guys then. Hi guys, so I'm in Birmingham. Yeah, I slept throughout the whole drive. So now we're just waiting for the coach to Bristol, then to Bath. So we're almost there. We're getting there by 2 to 3 o'clock, and I don't know why it's flipping cold. So yeah. So basically we're in Bathcity. Woohoo! We finally made it. So right now we're in the hotel. They're just dressing up the room, so we just have to settle in. Then we'll be on our way to the city. So we're at the city center now. So hi guys, I just got my food. Let's open this. So I just got done eating with the chicken loaded fries. I didn't eat it too. Chicken loaded fries, and it was nice, really nice. And now it's cold and windy because my preacher sister said that she wants to stay outside. Bitch.
Bet on me, I ain't playing and accepting nothing. But that on my spirit, yeah, that's happy. Ain't no messing with this Virgo energy. Come get this heat, cause I'm a boss, I'm a hitter, I'm a certified go-getter. Take a shot, I ain't missing this abundance where I'm living. Blessings come my way, manifest love today. Keep my peace, keep my faith, and I always play for keys.
I'm doing you now.
I'm about to start a riot.
I didn't comment take
you mighty night. Best believe I survive. That's insane. Bet on me. I ain't playing, ain't accepting no defeat. Put that on my money and that's how it be. You can't mess with this Virgo energy. Come get this heat, cause I'm a queen.
Okay. So I'm back at the hotel. The week is off. We ever come to this place, Auntie Sandra? So yeah, I'm just chilling. I can't wait to edit this video. No. So guys, so we just checked out from the hotel and we're just going to walk around the city center again because we have to wait because we booked the romance bath and it's by 1 and it's not yet 1, it's 11 o'clock. So we're just going to walk around for 2 hours, then go to the baths, then stay there for how long, I don't know. Then we'll be on our way to the coach because we're returning back today, Saturday. I can't wait to edit this video. I don't know what to say, honestly. I was looking so nice yesterday. I don't know what happened. Maybe I'm not. Yes, now I'm in the sun.
Getting a few more people over. This worked very well for me in Edinburgh. Free beer! But how I felt about it. Oh, look at that. It nearly feels like an audience. I will just say a couple of things before I start. I would.
Okay, yeah.
So we left Bath an hour ago and I just forgot to film and I was stressed. So and we're now on the coach to Birmingham. Yeah. Another snack break.
If you are listening to music or watching a film, please booking fees. It's the hassle-free way to manage your bookings with us.